ulit ako. Share screen pala, wala. Good evening, my fellow classmates and Ma'am Cipriano. So today, we're going to discuss about how to use Polya's 4-step of problem solving. But before that, let us know who designed a 4-step to solve all kinds of problems. George Polya is a mathematics educator who strongly believed that the skill of the problem solving can be taught. So through that, he developed the Polya's 4-step in problem solving. He designed a 4-step method to solve all kinds of problems. Understand the problem, make a plan, execute the plan, and look back and reflect. Now, let's proceed to our main topic. Let's solve the illustrative example using the Polya's 4 steps of problem solving. So our illustrative example is a polo shirt and a necktie together cost 700 pesos. The polo shirt costs 350 more than the necktie. How much does the polo shirt cost? For us to solve the problem that given to us, we are going to follow the 4 step that is developed by Polya. First, understand the problem. Considering that the total payment is 700 pesos, so we need to find out two amounts whose sum is 700. Since the polo shirt costs 350 more than the necktie, we can deduce that the difference is 350 pesos. Second, devise a plan. In solving this problem, we can use a guess and check strategy, but it's time consuming. So, to be able to have direct and easy solution, we must make an equation. This since in a given information can be translated into a mathematical statement. So we let y is equals to the cost of the necktie. So y plus 350, the cost of the polo shirt. Combining of the polo shirt and the necktie is 700 pesos. So the equation could be y plus 350 is equals to 700. So in juncture we come up with the equation y plus 350 is equals to 700. To execute outline, we solve the equation for y, and the equation we attended, y plus 350 is equal to 700, is understood that every variable has a coefficient of 1. So y plus we come up with 2y, add the 350 equals to 700, so 2y plus 350 equals to 700. So make the equation balance. We carried out 350 from left side to right side and apply inverse operation. So 2y is equals to 700. So the inverse operation of positive equals to negative 350. So let's continue the operation. 2y equals to 700 minus 350 is equals to 350. So 2y is equals to 350. With this case, we will divide both sides by 2, so that y will remain. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 350. Divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, so y will remain, and 350 divided by 2 is equals to 175. So our equation is y is equals to 175. So we have the cost of the necktie, which is 175. To know the cost of the polo shirt, since we already know the cost of the necktie, we solve y plus 350 is equals to y is 175. So y plus 350 equals 175 plus 350. 175 plus 350 is equals to 525. In this case, so we come up with 525, which is the actual cost of the polo shirt. Consequently, the necktie costs 175 pesos and the polo shirt costs 525 pesos. How can we sure that this is correct? To verify the answer, let's review the solution. We see that 175, which is the cost of the necktie, plus 525, which is the cost of the polo shirt. The total is 700 pesos. 175 plus 525 equals 700. So it is correct. And 525 minus 175 equals 350. So I conclude that my answer is really correct. 525, the cost of the polo shirt, minus 175, the cost of the necktie. The total is 350. So I come up with the correct answer using Polya's 4-step in problem solving, and also by the use of right and equation strategy. Thank you for listening. God bless and have a good night, everyone. Okay na yun, no? Try ko panoodin.